Spotlight karong buntaga, turismo ang hisgutan nato mga kapuso. Bisan kung nagka-pandemya karon nindot sab nga musuroy pupanagsa sa maanindot nga mga gipasigarbong lugar dinhi sa atong probinsya apan kun musuroy man sa responsableng pamaagi gyud kuno. Karong buntaga mga kapuso, makauban nato managing editor ug co-founder ni siya sa Cebu Focused Digital Magazine ug Blog Sugbo.ph si Ma'am Sara Ladeza. Good morning, Ma'am Sara. Welcome sa programa. Kumusta ka karong buntaga, Ma'am?
Good morning, sir. Okay ra. Okay, salamat kayo.
Salamat sa pag-uban ka namo, Ma'am. Mahimo bang suginlan minimo niining beginnings sa Sugbo.ph nganong nakahunhuna man mo, Ma'am, nga magsugod, magtukod og blog?
Oh, kanang when we were in college in Cebu, sir, my co-founder Raman Salita, gi-encourage mi niya nga mag-start og blog kay hilig man mi manglakaw, manglaag, magsigig pangaon. And then really the purpose was just to promote Cebu. Then it all started really with the passion at heart to promote Cebu. Nag-start mi sa Sugbo in 2014. So 2021 running na, hopefully kanang naaragapon. Even after the years have passed, the passion is still burning in us, and hopefully as we grow, maoray gihapon ang passion to promote Cebu.
Mga maanindot kaayo labi na mga unexplored nga mga destinations ang inyong gina-feature, Ma'am, sa inyong content. Asa man mo makakuha og ideya ani or kamo ba gyud mismo musuroy ini mga lugar or modawat mo og mga contributions pod?
Before, sir, moadto gid mi sa lugar to really explore and take photos, share it to the Cebuanos. But now, karon nalipay mi kay naay mga Cebuanos gyud nga motag na lang sa Sugbo, mo-ask silang ipa-promote, especially during the peak of the pandemic when people, especially small businesses, startup businesses, motag sila. And then, of course, the passion is to promote, so of course, we help them promote their businesses as well.
And we've noticed also, Ma'am, sa inyong content, sa inyong vlog nga, comprehensive ni siya, ano na gyud detalye, how to get to the destination, pila ang mabayran para matubag na gyud ang pangutana sa inyong mga audience bali.
If naatay adtuon nga place, we make sure that all our all our concerns are being addressed. That's why me personally as a writer, I really make sure nga whatever it is that I have question in my mind, mo sa akong i-write sa akong article at least dili na ta moingon nga unsa pa man to, and we really do research jud.
Nganong nindot man, Ma'am, nga tabangan gyud nato ang pag-promote sa turismo labi na rong panahon sa pandemya, Ma'am Sara?
Personally, sir, it's really nice because it is not only fulfilling in yourself as a laagan to be able to explore these places, but it's also nice to see your place grow as well. And of course, nakahelp na kasi imong mga fellow nga Cebuanos or Subuanos nga really are trying their best to especially lift themselves up during this pandemic.
Siguro ba gyud inyong gi-focus, Ma'am, or doon na mo plano nga sa uban pod nga mga lugar pananglit, doon na mo may plano page alang sab sa mga bulanon?
We have actually expanded, sir, Vismin PH. We already founded Vismin PH as well, and Visayas and Mindanao. So we have now been promoting since we have partnered with Department of Tourism. So now we get to promote as well the tourist spots, not only of Cebu but also of Visayas and Mindanao.
Tungod sa COVID-19, Ma'am, nga ang tourism industry ang usagyod sa labihang naapektuhan, midapa gyud ni nga sektor, Ma'am, nganong kinahanglan man nga tinabangay tang tanan pagtabang sa atong mga kaigsuonan ini mga industriya?
For us in Sugbo as a team, we really believe na for a place to be considered as successful is if booming jud ang tourism, it doesn't only provide jobs for the business owners, it also provides jobs for the people who rely on the business.
To cap this off atong conversation this morning, Ma'am Sara, doon na kay mensahe gustong ipaabot sa atong mga viewers sa programa?
If you visit the place, make sure again to leave no traces. Let us be responsible agans. And of course, we can take as much photos as we can and then post it so we can share the word. And of course, let's make sure to stay safe and still healthy. Bahalag maglaag.
Daghan kayong salamat sa pag-uban kanamo karong buntaga gikan sa Sugbo.ph, mga kapuso, si Ma'am Sara Ladeza. Thank you, Ma'am Sara.
Thank you, sir.